What's up, everyone? We are going to do another series with our Lulucut samples. Today we're going to be doing the Lulucut Phoenix series. This is going to be a Santoku. It's going to be a 7-inch Santoku, and we are going to have a 69 layered Damascus with an Oz 10 core. We're going to have a G10 handle. It's a little black, a little red, little spacer right there. So today we're going to be making some fajitas. So I'm going to start with just some basic prep that you would see at home. We're going to do bell peppers, red onions. I'm going to make a chimichurri also. And today we have a beautiful steak from Snake River Farms. We're going to have a really nice flank steak. Let's get started. We're going to I'm going to grill these, but I'm going to get them in nice slices. So we're just going to take the core out, get all the seeds taken care of. I'm going to leave these in strips so I can grill them easier. The Santoku and the Gyuto are like the main shapes for chef knives. Very versatile. You can do pretty much anything you need to do in the kitchen with them. So this knife is a hidden tang, but just like the first one, it has a little bit more weight in the handle. I think because it might go all the way through. You can see the little metal right there. So I'm going to save these for the grill. Slice those later. Onions, I'm not going to grill them. I'm just going to slice them up, and we're going to saute them in some butter, some cumin. So you can do all sorts of chopping styles with this. You can pull, you can push, you can drag. So you can draw, cut, you can push cut. It's almost sharp enough to even just go straight down with it. I don't recommend that way of cutting. You want to always use the whole length of your knife for the most pleasurable cutting experience. Never use your knife to scrape like that. Just save your edge. Chimichurri. I just have cilantro right here. I'm going to use the stems and the leaves. Some people will just put this in like a food processor and just blend it until it's all one thing. I kind of like to leave it a little bit rustic, if you will. This, we're just gonna roll it up nice, not too hard because you'll crush it. And we're gonna go through and try and just keep it relatively, just let the knife do all the work. Just light though. You want all the cilantro flavor to be in the cilantro, not on your cutting board. All right, so we got our cilantro in there. We're gonna do our limes. I like how fresh it makes it. Kind of makes everything pop a little bit. You'll notice I'm also doing one pass. I think that's kind of the best way because you don't want to get this white, you don't want to get the pith in there. You just want the very outer skin. The pith is really bitter. Alright, some garlic. Could probably put 2 cloves in there. For this, just gonna put the knife down a little bit, give it a little crush, nothing crazy. Oil. Just want it to be almost a little pasty. It's not going to be like a pesto because it's not blended up or anything. About that much. I like a lot of pepper. I think I want a little red onion in there. So we'll just take some of this and just dice it up. Smells good.
It really does.
Now I think the next we'll season the beef. And some people might be like, too much dough. It'll fall off. Some of it will fall off. Deal with it. Crazy. Not too much because this is gonna char up a little bit, but we like that. And then not too much cumin either, just enough to kind of let you know it's there, but not like with the paprika. it is going to
Grilling, Sage. Grilling. And then just give it a stir. Season everything.
I love that smell. Butter. Smells so fucking good.
Turn on the smell-o-vision.
Or kind of bring it mid if you wanted to.
Because this would be wasted.
Well, a little bit, we're gonna waste a little bit, right?
Yeah,
So we cut
yeah.
the excess off and try to save.
Yeah, sure. Hopefully, knife with some of these cuts.
It depends on
You
the
know,
cut.
I
It
mean,
just depends on the cut.
could we do that? Let's go with this one and then try. Let's center it. I mean, you know, to the extent possible. I mean, it's just I like that little gray. That would be. And then, what kind of wood is burl wood? I guess there's various kinds.
Well, burl is basically
that-
the thing that happens to a tree. It's
Yeah.
not so much like burl wood is a type.
Yeah.
What happens is there's a fungus that grows. You'll
Yeah.
see it on all
So it could be on
trees.
oak
It could be on anything. And what happens is the grain starts going in different directions. When that happens, the grain pattern starts to look funky like this.
Yeah.
And so that's all that is.
Yeah.
Give it some more. Yeah.
Very close.
Who's agreeing with you?
You're right, you're wrong. No, you're wrong.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
Sweet.